All right, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our trainer will go over CloutHub, Nextdoor, Co-Founders Lab, and Alignable. So get ready to take some notes, and let's jump right in.
CloutHub. CloutHub is a social networking platform designed for social, civic, and political engagement. According to their homepage, CloutHub empowers members to connect, collaborate, and influence the issues that matter to them. Jeff Brain, the founder, describes CloutHub as a platform that welcomes everyone, regardless of their political beliefs. What makes CloutHub unique from other social networking platforms is that it focuses on collaboration and taking action. CloutHub describes itself as a complete integrated social media platform because you can share updates with friends and family like Facebook, express yourself like Twitter, get personalized news like in Smart News, create and share videos like on YouTube. Like MeWe, CloutHub considers itself to be a non-biased platform that supports free speech and protects your privacy. The platform guarantees no IP or device ID scraping, data mining, and tracking involved. Nextdoor. Nextdoor is a social platform for local neighborhoods. Based in San Francisco, California, Nextdoor was launched in October 2011 and is now available in 11 countries. To become a Nextdoor user, you are required to submit your real names and address for verification. Compared to Facebook groups and Craigslist posts that are mainly topic-based, Nextdoor provides targeted news and recommendations to individuals in a certain geographic area. This means that posts on your feed can only be seen by other users living in the same area. With Nextdoor, people can create communities to welcome newcomers, exchange recommendations, and get updates from public agencies and support local businesses. From borrowing tools to finding a lost dog to promoting your business, Nextdoor has got you covered. Co-Founders Lab. Co-Founders Lab is a platform that allows you to connect with the largest network of entrepreneurs online. Co-Founders Lab's ecosystem supports founders in building and growing successful business ventures. Co-Founders Lab uses AI algorithms to connect entrepreneurs to founders, advisors, and potential team members in the entrepreneurship world in a blink of an eye. There are only 3 simple steps to signing up. Step number 1. Register using LinkedIn, Facebook, or Google account. Step number 2. Set up your profile and activate the AI matching algorithm. Step number 3. Find a co-founder by searching location, skills, industry, and startup experience. By joining Co-Founders Lab, you can gain education, mentorship, and partnerships. To date, there are 400,000 entrepreneurs from 140 plus countries and an astonishing 550,000 introductions made. Co-Founders Lab will help you look for new team members, advisors, or business partners in your next successful startup. Alignable. Alignable is an online network headquartered in Boston, dedicated to small business owners across North America. They are funded by known investors like Mayfield Fund, Saturn Partners, Lead Edge Capital. Since launching in January of 2014, Alignable has now more than 6 million members, creating millions of connections across 30,000 plus local communities. Alignable helps business owners to create leads, gain referrals, share advice, and establish new business and relationships. Members use Alignable to connect with their local community and gain insight from their industry. The platform can also be used to promote and support local businesses. As more and more people and businesses gravitate to social media to gain new connections, learn valuable insights, and reach a wider demographic, more and more platforms will compete to provide the best and most convenient way for social networking. Being familiar with these up-and-coming socials gives you first-hand knowledge of the purpose of each platform. Take advantage of these platforms and increase your brand's voice, drive more leads, and generate more sales.